Hello, my name's Claire Ritson and I work here as the project lead for Sunniside Community Association and Community Centre. The majority of my job is talking with and listening to the community to find out what is needed, what people want, and then obviously come together with the community to develop activities and resources here at the centre. And everyone really just shares their own unique skills and talents with each other. So some people will show you how to knit or crochet, or someone was working with stained glass and was teaching other people about that as well. The baking group is and always has been one of the most popular. We knew if we put baking on at the community centre, people would just love it. And I think it just has so many benefits. That's why it's been so popular. The Thursday night was particularly brilliant because Louise would ring us on a Thursday morning and say, what did you get from Tesco's last night? What did Fairshare bring this morning? Right, okay, I'm going to create some recipes for tonight. And literally, she's a genius. She could do that. And all the recipes are always amazing, but it's keeping our costs down. And it also shows people how you can make so many different recipes and interesting and delicious foods from this surplus food, which some people turn their nose up at.
I'm Louise Watson and I've been doing baking sessions here for quite a long time now. It'll be about 10 years. We've got a massive mix of people that come in here, so lots of people haven't really baked before, so they are actually learning baking skills, and other people can already bake really well, but it's nice to come and do it with other people.
I love it, it's so relaxing. They're a really friendly group and I've learned quite a lot. So lots of little hints and tips and new things. I love the history aspect of it because we find out about our local history. But I would love to learn more about how to use different spices. I know you can go on Google, but I think it's nice to form bonds with real people.
I like coming to the group because it's renewed old friendships that had drifted, but also to meet new people. The cooking is a practical way of health and well-being. I think it's the camaraderie that we have between us and the exchange of experiences, and Louise bringing the history of our cooking, and today we've been using an old recipe. That makes it fascinating for me.
The actual part of the baking is brilliant because she does pizzas and things for the kids when they do the youth clubs and things like that. She's just so interested in what she says. I mean, even just to come not to bake and listen to what the stories that she comes up with, it's absolutely brilliant.
I've been attending now for about 8 or 9 months. Obviously, I've learned a lot of new skills, experience with the baking, things I've never could do before, baking bread and everything. My family love it when I take things home, and they've usually gone within the next day.
I hope today when you speak with people, they'll explain to you how impactful the funding we've received from Learning Curve has been, that they've been able to engage in this activity that they love so much with the baking, that they've made brand new friendships and actually now developed long-standing friendships and relationships with each other, both here and then outside of here as well. So you have made a huge difference to a lot of people, so thank you.